So today we have this keyboard that I could use for gaming. It's Bluetooth connected, so it does come with the USB. And it's really cool because while you're playing, well, first of all, there's an on and off button to turn it off and on to preserve battery. And while you're playing, it shows the battery percentage whether or not you need to change your battery. It does require a AAA battery, but overall, it's a black color. Pretty simple. Now let's go get to using it.
.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.